Hi everybody, it's Haley with HaleyWithAFlair.com, back today with another vlog video this week. Today we are discussing the all-important vlog topic that I posted this week. It is the 7 biggest mistakes that first-time cruisers make. And heck, even some seasoned cruisers still make these mistakes. So I'm going to put out this list. I'd love to see in the comments what you think of it. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right down there. Check out some of my other cruising and travel videos. And if you are curious to read the blog portion, in the comment section, there's a link to my blog, HaleyWithAFlair.com. All right, let's get started. Now, I'm old, my memory's bad, so I have to read what I've written. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is not checking in to the cruise before you get on board or get to the port. Obviously, you can't get on board unless you get to the port first, but not checking in online. This is, I think, one of the worst things that you can do because it's going to put a sour taste in your mouth when you have to go to the port and you see all these people handing off their papers, scanning and going, and you have to fill out paperwork. The last thing you do when you are ready to start your vacation is fill out a bunch of paperwork. So don't do it. Do it before you check in online. Through Royal Caribbean, it's called, you just log in with your portal with your cruise ID. It doesn't cost money. Just do it. But it's really simple. They walk you through it. You just, check off, yes, that you're not going to be a jerk on a cruise ship, that you understand their rules, that you understand how their charging works. It's not hard. Just do it ahead of time. And it's the same time you're printing out your luggage tickets, which I would hope you would be doing that anyways, but it's all together right there. So that is the first thing. Second thing, forgetting cash. I'm one of those people, I rarely have cash at home. I am a textbook millennial in this degree. I have my Apple Pay, I have my cards, I have Venmo, whatever. But on a cruise, I always try to bring cash with me. One, some of the ports that you're going to and maybe some of the little trinket shops you're in or restaurants, they might not accept credit cards. You need to have cash. Cash is supreme. It's also great to have cash on hand. For tipping the staff on the ship. These people work so hard. They're away from their families for months at a time. Tips actually stands for to ensure prompt service. So, little known fact right there. And plus the ATM fees on board are they're cray. You don't want to pay that. Just bring some cash with you ahead of time. Number 3, not researching your ship. So if you are looking to book your first cruise or, maybe try a new cruise line and say it's Royal Caribbean and you found a 3-night Bahamas cruise that you think is just going to be the cat's meow because you've seen all the commercials that have Oasis, Symphony of the Seas, you're going to be really hard pressed to get on board to not see a boardwalk and things of that nature. Just research your ship. There's YouTube. There's people that have done great ship videos, myself included, if you want to check those out. But there's people that have done great ship tours. You should know what you're walking into beforehand. So research your ship. Number 4, failing to use a travel agent. Number 1, it does not cost money to use them. Why not? Why not have somebody that you can use and bug for free that'll take care of you? If you get on board and you ordered something that was supposed to be sent to your room and it wasn't, your travel agent can be your advocate for that. Or, if there's something bad that happened on board, your travel agent can advocate for you. And a travel agent is also going to be a great person to tell you, yes, this is on this ship. No, this ship might not be a good fit for you. They're going to help guide you in that way. And if you'd like to see a Q&A that I've done with my travel agent, I'll put a link for it down below. Check it out. It's really great. And in the comments section, you can fast forward and see the questions that were asked so you don't have to watch the whole video because it's about an hour long. But it's really, really great. So use a travel agent. And I'm a seasoned traveler, and I still use a travel agent. I mean, he's my best friend, and there's that whole thing. But, he's very knowledgeable on different lines that I've thought about trying recently. So use it. 5, not making pre-cruise purchases, i.e. the drink package, i.e. specialty dining packages. 9 times out of 10, they're going to cost you more money on board, and you are just going to be hemorrhaging money at that point in time. And this way, if you buy them ahead of time, you're pretty much pre-planning and pre-paying for your whole entire trip. So you get on board, what do you have left to pay for? Gratuities? I prepay those as well. I don't want to have any extra fees once I get on board. So that's just food for thought. Number 6, having too many expectations. This kind of goes back to researching your ship. if you are doing a 3-night Bahamas sailing on the Norwegian Sky, Enchantment of the Seas, and you're seeing all these commercials for Symphony of the Seas, you're kind of mentally setting yourself up to fail a little bit. By using a travel agent, some of these tips I've recommended before, you can find the ship that works best for you, find the itinerary that works best for you, and then just keep an open mind. There's things on a cruise ship that might surprise you. You might find out that you love going to the schooner bar and doing Harry Potter trivia or ABBA songs trivia, things that you just would not expect. Just keep an open mind. That way you're not disappointed, and instead you find things that pleasantly surprise you. All right, number 7, not buying travel insurance. So I got lucky at one point in time by not having travel insurance, and Royal Caribbean was really great. I got sick on board Adventure of the Seas almost 4 years ago at this point. Maybe it was 3 or 4 years ago. And thankfully, there was a little bit of gastrointestinal something-itis going around the ship, and Royal Caribbean covered my medical fees from going down to the med center. But stuff like that can happen on board. You can go on an excursion in Cozumel and fall and break your arm. That's going to get expensive real quick. So that $25, $50, even $60 travel insurance bill is going to take care of you. There's even travel insurance that you can buy ahead of time that cover you before you go on the cruise. So, if your husband has to have surgery and you can't make your cruise, it'll help you get your money back. It's peace of mind. And if you have a really good travel agent like I do, they can explain how that works for you. So those are my 7. If you want to read more about this list, like I said earlier, check out the link down here in the bio. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. What tips would you guys offer for first-time cruisers? And again, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!